Welcome to the Xero Tax Software Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are included in the description for your convenience. Xero is a cloud-based tax and accounting software tailored for small to medium-sized businesses, freelancers, and accountants. It's known for its user-friendly interface, seamless integrations, and a comprehensive suite of features that simplify tax preparation, financial management, and compliance. Whether you're a small business owner looking to stay on top of your taxes or an accountant managing multiple clients, Xero offers a versatile platform to streamline your workflow. One of Xero's key strengths is its real-time collaboration. As a cloud-based software, Xero allows multiple users, including business owners and accountants, to access financial data from anywhere. This ensures everyone stays updated and aligned, reducing errors and saving time. The tax features are integrated with its accounting functions, allowing automatic tax calculations based on real-time financial data. This eliminates the need for manual calculations and ensures your taxes are always accurate. Xero also supports filing for a variety of tax types, including sales tax, GST, and VAT, making it a strong option for businesses operating in different regions. The platform's tax tools help generate accurate returns and offer compliance tracking, so you're always on top of deadlines and regulations. Additionally, its integration with payroll ensures that employee-related tax obligations are also managed seamlessly. Another standout feature is Xero's integrations. It connects with over 1,000 third-party apps, including payment processors, CRM tools, and inventory management platforms, enabling a fully integrated ecosystem for your business operations. For reporting, Xero provides customizable, detailed financial reports that help you analyze your tax liabilities and overall business performance. Xero is built with ease of use in mind, featuring a clean, intuitive interface. For those new to accounting software, the platform offers extensive resources, tutorials, and customer support to ensure a smooth onboarding process. With competitive pricing and a robust feature set, Xero is an excellent choice for businesses seeking reliable tax and accounting software. Check the links in the description to learn more about Xero or try it out today.